Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use Excel VLOOKUP in under 3 minutes. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Excel's VLOOKUP function is a powerful tool that allows you to search for data in a table and retrieve a corresponding value. So here's how to use it. Now let's open up Excel and I'm gonna show you some examples. First thing to do is make sure your data is organized in a table with column headers. As you can see here, for the first example, there is the last name, first name, title, birth date. Now, click on the cell where you want the VLOOKUP formula to be. Type in the formula equals VLOOKUP, and then click on the cell containing the value you want to look up. Now, type a comma, and then select the table array you want to search. Type another comma, and then select the column number containing the value you want to return. Type another comma, and then type in the word false if you want to find the exact match, or true if you want to find an approximate match. Close the parentheses and press enter. So as you can see here, VLOOKUP looks for Fontana in the first column, column B in table array B2 to E7, and returns Olivier from the second column, equals column C of the table array. False, return an exact match. So just like this one also. But this one, VLOOKUP looks for an exact match, false, of the last name for 102, lookup value in the second column, column B, in the 82 to C7 range, and returns to Fontana. So that's how it goes. So that's it. You should now have the corresponding value returned in the cell where you type the formula. So I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!